Hi guys, this is Dmitri and the EasyPeasy fix. Today I will show you how to fix F6 error on a BRiO water dispenser. Alright, this is the BRiO water dispenser. It's located in the Sunshine Studio, San Diego, at our before and after school studio for the children. And I draw myself this arrow and like a glass middle position to prevent any mislocated glass from the keys, because this sensor is very sensitive. So once you push a little bit, like always getting this wet, so that's why I put my glasses on. So the error F6 usually comes up on this screen, and it tells you it comes from the sensor, the overflow sensor. This is gray guy located in the bottom of your cooler. So if for some reason any damage with water line or filters, anything start leaking it, the water collecting here in the bottom, and the sensor is sensing the water, seeing the little like a space over there, filling with the water, and that makes the sensor works, and it gives the signal to the main board located here with the error F6. So how to let me imitate this F6 error to show you how to fix it. Okay, what I gotta do now, I just grab the empty glass and fill it with some water, and I'm gonna put this water into the sensor. Imitate your system is leaking. Look, bam, here we go. See this F6 mistake, and your system start beeping, which is good actually. See, the water is immediately shut it down, and it's gonna prevent any damage in your house. No more water gonna come from this dispenser. The sensor works perfect, sensing the water leaking. So how to fix it? The board doesn't work. What you need to do, please unplug. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix F6 mistake on BRiO water dispenser. Easy peasy with Dmitri. I'll show you right now. I said before, this error comes up because the sensor feels some water and you have some water leakage. So we disconnected the water heater from the outlet, and you have to dry out this sensor. Basically, get some paper towel, and you have to remove all the water. And also you see this is it's a pretty deep switch right there. So, and to completely make it work, you have to take this switch out. It's easy, it's only one screw. Look, bam, one screw. Yes, it is. Look, and take the screw out. Don't worry, it's no power, of course. You already disconnected, and it's a low voltage. So just take the sensor off. Look, this is the sensor guide. Oops. You have to dry this out. This is location completely. Okay guys, we're just almost done with drying these things off. The water, make sure no more water, and the capacity over there is dry. So, and pretty soon we gotta restore our water dispenser. Сейчас, еще не работает. Okay guys, so we dried out this place where the sensor located, and we put them back. We put this sensor back with only one screw, put it back in dry place. Now let's check it out, how if we had some success. So just take this plug and put it back and see if that F6 mistake disappeared. Bam, voila, and it disappears. So everything dry, no more mistake. Good luck to you, and it was easy peasy. It was Dmitri.